Hello, my amazing viewers. Welcome back to Cook with Grace Kiswe. I know it's quite a long time, but today we are going to make popcorn, not our usual popcorn. I know we have caramel popcorn, milk popcorn, but today we're going to make yellow popcorn, which is known as turmeric popcorn. Yes, and the taste was giving, and it's so crunchy. Just give it a try. The ingredients are corn, oil, turmeric, sugar, and a little pinch of salt. That's all. Then you enjoy with your family. It tastes so crunchy and very nice. Give it a try and thank me later. See you guys on my next video. I hope you love this video and the recipe. Bye. Love you.